Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening to my audience, which is Madam Nora. I am Muhammad Mujahid bin Muhammad from DIA 3D. Okay, for my topic for impromptu, I choose topic number 3, which is 3 key to a happy life. Okay. Nowadays, many people think that they are having a happy life, but is that true? Not yet. Not right. They are stressed working. The students stressed studying for their exam. That show that they do not having a happy life. So let's first see what is the real meaning of happy life. For me, happy life means that we is a life when we able to do something that bring benefit to us, that is good for us. Usually our hobby or something that bring advantage to our life, maybe in short term or long term. Okay. And there are some characteristic for people who are having a happy life. One is they tend to think that their life is easy. It is because all of their necessity is fulfilled, and the other is they are less worried or stressed about their life. For the same reason, because all of the necessity is fulfilled, so they are nothing to worry about. They have nothing to worry about. Okay, there are many key to a happy life, but I choose these 3, which is gratitude, be positive, kind or cheerful people, and third, fulfill your responsibility. Okay, first let's see the main point, the first point, which is the gratitude. Okay, gratitude mean appreciate. So what is the real meaning of appreciate? Okay, I hope that people would appreciate every little thing that come to them. For example, like for my situation is my spectacle, which is very expensive in my experience. This spectacle is priced RM350 ringgit, if I'm not wrong. It costs a lot of money, right? So we need to appreciate it, because it's not easy to make this, and it take a lot of time for my father to collect money to buy me this. So I appreciate it by study hard to become a good student, to become an excellent student, in order to get a good job to help him in future. Okay, we need to remember, not all people have what we have. For example, like clothes. Nowadays there is some case like Rohingya, right? They do not have place or home to stay, to sleep, right? So we need to appreciate that we have house, we have food, we have bed. Okay, let's go to the next point, which is a good personality. Be positive, cheerful or kind. Okay, when we are having a good personality, it can change people attitude around us in a good way, right? For example, like when people in need of money, right, we give them money to borrow, right? Then it will help them, it will strengthen our bond with them, and it will lead to a happy life. When in future maybe we will be in danger, in need of money, then they can come to help us to repay our kindness. That is something that too. Other than that, when we are having accident or problem, we need to be patient, because everything must have a reason. For example, like right now is a COVID-19, right? So we need to be a patient. We need to be positive. Think there is good reason because of this. For example, right now we can focus on study, right? You should not go outside playing around, right? So focus on exam. Okay, for the last one is fulfill our responsibility. For as a Muslim, we need to fulfill our responsibility to our God by praying, by and as student we need to study hard, and as son we need to help our parent in their daily life, and as a human we need to follow government rule, right? PKP, right? Stay at home, stay safe. Okay, so my three key to a happy life is: first, be a gratitude person; the second one, be positive, cheerful, or have a good personality; and third is fulfill our responsibility. That's all from me. Thank you.